Hello students, today we will do let's practice. Okay, the question here given in let's practice 1 is a little bit different. Okay, till now we were doing addition or doing subtraction. Now in this question both of them are given together. Both addition and subtraction are given together. How to do such questions? Which to do first? Which to do later? This may be the question with you. So see this video properly. This is very important. Okay, keep in your mind as all of you know as a first as latter. जब भी एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन आएगा तो पहले क्या होगा? A addition then subtraction. Subtraction is the smaller one. S subtraction smaller. Smaller subtraction later. It will be done later. इसको बाद में करेंगे. And addition is bigger. It will be done first. जब भी addition और subtraction साथ में आएंगे, it will be done first and it will be done second. पहले इसको करेंगे, then इसको करेंगे. It will first, it will be second. Understood? Now we will do the sum. What is the sum? Let's practice. Question number 1. What it is? 63,428 plus 26,087 minus 43,772. See, one addition is also, one subtraction is also. So what we will do first? We will do first addition and then we will do subtraction. तो पहले addition करते हैं. पहले इन दोनों numbers को add करेंगे. आप साइड में अपना रफ स्पेस बनाओ. This is your rough space. Always do the rough work on your right hand side in the same page. Okay, don't do on the back side of your copy. You will do here and I will check that what you have done. Understood now? So now you add 63,428 plus 26,087. Add it. 8 plus 7, 15, 5, carry 1, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 3, 9, 6 plus 2, 8. So it is 89,515. Whenever you do one addition or subtraction, do it again to check that you have done it correctly or not. So we will check it again. See, 8 plus 7 is 15, 5, carry 1, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 2 is 8. So our addition is correct. Now write it here. It is 89,515 plus, no, it is done. Now we will subtract. Subtract how much? 43,772. From this one we will subtract. Subtract in our rough space. 89,515 minus 43,772. 5 minus 2 is 3. Borrow 1. This becomes 4. This becomes 11. 11 plus 7 is 11 minus 7 is 4. Then 4 minus 7 you cannot do. So you will borrow 1 again. It becomes becomes 14, it becomes 8. 14 minus 7 is 7, and then 8 minus 3 is 5, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So it is 85,743. Again what we will do? We have done the subtraction, but before writing the answer, we will check it once again that we have done it right or wrong. So 5 minus 2 is 3, then 1 minus 7 we cannot do, so we will borrow 1. The 1 after getting 10 becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here it is 4 left. Now from 4 we cannot subtract 7, we will borrow 1 again. So it becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. And 8 is left here. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So we will write the answer. How much it is? 45,743. Understood how to do such questions? Yes, na? First thing to keep in mind, doing addition first. Then second thing, do the rough work on the right hand side. Third thing, after doing the sum, check it once more. Then write it here. Okay. Then you do subtraction, and after doing subtraction again check it and then write the answers. Understood now? Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is same, but there is a trick. What is it? Write down the question. 36,740 minus 7,734 plus 16,861. Now see, this is your question. Yes, na? Now in this question, what we will do first? We will do addition first. But addition is here and subtraction is here. तो आप लोग क्या करोगे कि आप लोग इसको और इसको ऐड करके और इसके साथ में सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे. You will do ना? That is wrong. The subtraction is given with this number. So this will be subtracted only. This will not be added with this. This number will be added with this number. समझ में आया? तो इसको कैसे अरेंज करेंगे? This is equal to 36,714. इसके साथ में लिखो प्लस 16,861 और माइनस वाले को लास्ट में लेके चले जाएंगे. माइनस 7,734. This was the question, na? Yes. So this is the way. First you arrange it. Put the minus number at last. These two numbers you bring together, then you add them and then you subtract them, like that question. Understood?